No, it's candy.
Gingerbread house, gingerbread house. Claire, what are we gonna do today?
Candy.
What are we gonna do today? Gingerbread house all the way.
Hey.
Let's open up our gingerbread house.
And candy.
And candy. Woohoo! First we have to make our house. Are you ready? All the candy right here. Play with these. Just kidding. Those are noisy. Clara has been asking all week to make a gingerbread house, so that's what we're gonna do.
Hooray! This is our house.
Let's do this.
Okay.
This one has. Does that taste good?
Mm-hmm.
Look, what are these?
Windows.
These are the windows.
Then the house.
What's this little guy?
Chocolate. I read that.
Don't eat him yet. And a gingerbread man. So I was super grateful that this came with ready to go frosting. I did not want to make frosting. That's gross.
That's you.
Mm-hmm. Let's build this thing.
Yeah.
Can you hold this for me?
Mm-hmm.
Don't let go. Perfect. I'm gonna glue this on here. What? Apparently we have to cut it. Didn't know that. Alright, tell me if this tastes good.
Yeah.
You taste its frosting. Mmm. Glue right up the edge. Ah! Ah! Okay. You watching? Okay. This is a lot harder than I thought it would be. Ta-da! No! You know what? We're just gonna cheat. Don't you people judge me. Taste it. Now we're getting somewhere. Where's the other window?
Hey, Mama.
Are you eating my tree?
Mm-hmm.
Don't eat my tree. You have to decorate the tree. Are you eating the tree? Stop eating the tree! I think I did this part wrong. Stop eating my tree! What am I supposed to do with you? Now this is how you build a house.
Yeah, I love it. House. Daddy.
Don't eat the candy.
Okay.
What? Are you eating the candy?
Mm-hmm. Now, one goes on my candy.
Holy cow, look at all this candy!
Oh, the candy!
Are we gonna eat it all right now?
Yes.
We're gonna put it on our gingerbread house, silly.
Oh, yeah.
Let's make some room. Deck the halls with boughs of holly, yo, said the wrapping paper. I think I can tell jokes. What should we decorate first? Okay, let's do the roof. Oh, wow, when did this start happening? That's looking really good.
The green.
Oh, green.
White.
White.
Green.
Yeah.
Red.
Red. Ooh, jingle bells, jingle,
Green.
jingle all the way.
Red.
I don't have any more. Squeeze. More.
Squeeze.
Sorry, my baby's crying. This month, Cole discovered his toes. And apparently discovered the gumdrops. Wow, look at that! We also just had him try baby food for the first time. And if we're lucky, he won't try candy on this video.
Mom, where's the potatoes?
You want to open those? Sprinkles!
Sprinkles.
This is so awesome. Maybe we should take an Elfie. See what I did there? Elfie, selfie, smile! Jeez. These aren't sticking at all. Oh my goodness, stop making a mess! This is not okay! Calm down. You know what? I think we have enough sprinkles. What are you eating now? Oh yes, let's stick that slobbery candy right on there. That is a big mess on there. What are these called?
Peppermint.
I love it.
I love too. I found that one.
Oh, so much candy. This is so good. Mwah. Ugh, slobbery. Thank you. I don't even know where to put this. No, don't eat it. We're supposed to put it on the house. You know what? If I didn't know any better, I'd say that you're up to snow good. See what I did there?
So good.
To snow good. I think those need to go in our house too.
Yeah.
Oh! I want the candy!
No.
Ugh.
My cousin.
We need more frosting! Squeeze that frosting!
Yeah.
We need a good candy.
Open.
Ah! Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Ah! Here it is over here. Perfect, perfect. Ah! We like the technique of using our... I don't want it on my face! This is not okay! Oh yes, put those sprinkles on my face.
Let's go.
What?
I love Legos.
Well, let's bring out our snowflakes!
Yeah.
Ah!
Want you yeah.
Excuse me! Woo! Excuse me! Tell me you're just making a big mess! That was a close one. Okay, no more, no more. Let's open these marshmallows.
Open.
Ah! Open our marshmallows! Stick them on there. Just stick everything on the house. There we go. We're gonna do Facebook Live, okay? Put it right there. Let me see it. Let's put some frosting. There we go. How are you gonna eat it if you use hot glue? You just don't eat the hot glue. Ah! No, stop! You're gonna use it all! Okay. The whole front of our gingerbread house is going to be covered in frosting and sprinkles. Ta-da! Clara is doing it wrong. She needs to be eating more candy. Do you hear that, Clara? Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Steven wants to see you eat all of this candy. They're definitely in there. Show them to the camera. Show all those candies. Oh, look, we have more things. I love your red and green fingernail polish. Look at our pretty nails. There's pretty nails are green and pink.
Daddy. Another that.
La-di-la-da-da. Ah! Oh, how cute. Oh, yes. There you go. Ah! Okay, that's enough. Oh, my. How about my lips? I see on social media the sprinkle lips, so we're going to try that. What do you think? Do you like my lipstick? It's gonna look so pretty when it's done. Ah! Do I look pretty now? That just all went down my shirt. The amount of sprinkles in my lap right now. It's a little ridiculous. Am I beautiful now?
Yes. Nope.
No, I'm not beautiful?
What's it?
And I think it's your turn now. Oh, there we go. Wow. Oh, that just went in my lap too. You were messy. You were messy. Come over here. Look at me, you crazy girl. I'm just gonna hug you. You are covered in sprinkles. What about a red tree? What color are they usually?
Orange.
You think trees are usually orange? They're not. I don't like those ones. Very, very chewy. Very chewy. No, that one's already on her. You're gonna give me a tummy ache. I really don't like those ones. Not the goddamn buttons! Put it on our house. Put it on our house. I'm gonna take those away from you. They are disgusting. Whew. I think we're done with the candy eating. Wait, why are we screaming? Our house is looking pretty good. These are not snowballs. Stop it! That's not what they're for. Stop. That's my joke. Oh. Just stop what it's for. Ow. Okay. Was that delicious?
No. Oh, that's him.
This is a big mess.
What?
Excuse me. We're losing control. We're gonna keep our hands to ourselves. Close your eyes. And we're going to take a nap. No! That's an unflattering view of my face. Well, our camera died. Now I have my phone, so we're gonna say see ya, I guess. But first, I wanna show you our cute gingerbread house. Ta-da! And we've got such a mess. Let me show you our mess. Do I even dare show you the floor? Ah! Look at the floor! Gotta go.
Go.
See you later.
Yeah.
Love you.
Oh.
Bye.
Bye.
What are you doing? What are you doing? We're just getting to the right, see